A flat tire mid-ride is annoying, but a weak, unreliable pump that can't actually get you back up to pressure is genuinely infuriating. In 2026, bike pumps range from full-floor units to pocket-sized electric models. I tested 5 of the best, so you're never stuck on the side of the road. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily? We unbox and test the gear that actually makes life easier. Honest reviews, real setups, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and your next ride will thank you for sticking around. The BV Bicycle Floor Pump is the reliable home essential that every cyclist genuinely needs. And BV's reputation for durable, no-nonsense cycling gear holds up clearly here. The large, accurate gauge makes it easy to hit exact pressure targets, critical for road bikes where a few PSI genuinely affects ride feel and performance. The dual head valve system works with both Presta and Schrader valves without needing to swap adapters, covering virtually every bike type in your household. The stable, wide base and comfortable handle make pumping genuinely effortless, even when reaching higher pressures for road tires. Steel construction throughout feels substantial and built to last years of regular garage use. The high-volume air chamber means fewer pump strokes are needed to reach full pressure compared to smaller, less efficient pumps. For home use, maintaining multiple bikes in a household, or anyone who wants a genuinely reliable floor pump that takes the guesswork out of tire pressure, the BV floor pump is the most dependable choice on this entire list. The BV floor pump is the garage essential every cyclist eventually buys. And the price in the description makes it an easy decision now. Check the link below and grab it today. Perfect pressure, every single time. The BV Mini Bike Pump is the compact companion every cyclist needs strapped to their frame for emergencies on the road or trail. This portable pump mounts directly to your bike frame using the included bracket, meaning it's always with you without taking up bag space. The dual valve compatibility covers both Presta and Schrader valves, ensuring it works regardless of which bike you're riding that day. Despite its compact size, the pump delivers genuinely usable pressure for emergency situations, getting you back to a rideable tire pressure without needing a full floor pump. The lightweight aluminum construction keeps overall bike weight minimal, while still feeling durable enough to trust in a real emergency. The compact folding handle tucks away neatly when not in use, maintaining a low-profile mounted appearance. For road cyclists, mountain bikers, and commuters who want genuine peace of mind for unexpected flats without carrying bulky equipment, the BV Mini Pump is the smartest emergency backup on this entire list. The BV Mini Pump means you're never stranded by a flat again, and the price in the description makes that peace of mind genuinely affordable. Check the link below and grab it today. Always there when you need it. The Pararide bike pump floor is the home pump that adds genuine smart features to the traditional floor pump format. The large, easy-to-read gauge with a bright, clear dial makes hitting precise pressure targets genuinely simple, even in low garage lighting. The dual valve head accommodates both Presta and Schrader valves without fumbling with separate adapters mid-pump. A stable, non-slip base keeps the pump steady during use, and the ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during extended pumping sessions for high-pressure road tires. The high-volume design means fewer strokes are required to reach target pressure compared to smaller pumps, genuinely saving time and effort. Steel barrel construction provides durability for regular long-term use, and the compact footprint, when not in use, makes garage storage genuinely practical. For cyclists who want a dependable, accurate, comfortable-to-use floor pump for regular home maintenance, the Pararide delivers genuinely solid performance that makes tire maintenance a quick, painless task rather than a chore. The Pararide floor pump makes home tire maintenance genuinely effortless. And the price in the description makes it an easy addition to your garage. Check the link below and grab it today. Accurate pressure, every time. The West Biking Mini Bike Pump is the lightweight, compact, on-the-go solution for cyclists who want a genuinely capable backup pump without adding noticeable weight to their bike. The compact aluminum body mounts easily to your frame or fits in a saddlebag. And the dual valve compatibility covers both Presta and Schrader without requiring adapters. Despite its small size, the pump achieves surprisingly high pressure capability, making it genuinely usable for road bike tires rather than just mountain bike pressures. The folding T-handle provides a more comfortable grip during pumping compared to simple straight handle competitors, reducing hand strain when working to reach higher pressures. The included frame mount keeps the pump secured and rattle-free during rides over rough terrain. Build quality feels solid despite the lightweight, compact design, and the included pressure gauge helps avoid over or under inflation. For cyclists who prioritize minimal weight and genuine portability without sacrificing real pumping capability, the West Biking Mini Pump is a genuinely smart choice for emergency roadside repairs. The West Biking Mini Pump keeps you ride-ready without the bulk, and the price in the description makes it an easy backup to carry always. Check the link below and grab it today. Light enough to forget it's there. Closing out the list with the Fanttik X9 Ace, the electric mini pump that genuinely changes what's possible from a pocket-sized device. This rechargeable electric pump inflates tires automatically to a precise preset pressure, removing manual pumping entirely from the equation. The built-in digital display shows real-time pressure readings, and you simply set your target PSI and let the pump do the work, stopping automatically once reached. Battery life comfortably covers multiple full-tire inflations on a single charge. And USB-C charging means topping it up, uses the same cable as your phone. The compact size fits easily in a saddlebag or jersey pocket, genuinely disappearing into your existing gear. Multiple nozzle attachments extend usability beyond bike tires to sports balls, inflatable items, and other low-pressure applications. The built-in LED light adds visibility for nighttime roadside repairs, a genuinely thoughtful safety feature. For cyclists who want the absolute least physical effort possible during emergency inflation, and genuinely precise pressure control without manual gauge watching, the Fanttik X Carb 9 Ace is the most advanced pump on this entire list. The Fanttik X9 Ace inflates your tire while you do nothing but watch, and the price in the description makes that convenience genuinely worth it. Check the link below and grab it today, set it, forget it, ride on. Before we wrap, if this just helped you find the right pump and saved you from being stranded with a flat, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest content like this every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because cycling gear deals move fast. If this helped you find the right bike pump, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest unboxing and reviews every week. See you in the next one.